Hi everyone and happy May. My name is Kyle. I'm here on behalf of Makers Mercantile and we're here to do the unboxing of the May knit box. So we decided to change things up just a little bit and let you see right here early in the month what is inside of the box. So here is our May knit box, and you can always tell, just a little tiny hint, the colors that are on the sticker give you a little bit of an idea of what colors might be inside the box. Sometimes it's a hint. So here is what's going on in this May knit box. So first of all, of course, we start with a little joke or something funny that also is a hint, and it says, "Why are small mountains so funny?" And inside it says, "Because they are hill areas." Hill areas, get it? If that, I can't read it backwards. If that pun isn't the peak of comedy to you, then you can take a hike. Take a hike. Take a hike. The peak, hill areas. We're starting to get a little bit of an idea of what's going on. Taking a hike might be a thing. A little bit of tissue paper going on in this, and we'll talk about the yarn first, I think. So the yarn in this month's box is a whole series of yarns. So I will show you what they are one little bit at a time. So it is a yarn called Gesa and Flow. So there is Gesa and Flow. They are the grandchildren. And these little balls of yarn, there are 5 of them. So here's one of the blues. Here's a green. I wonder if I can put them on my fingers. There's a green. Here's another blue. Here is another green. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are the 5 colors that you're going to get in the box. So 5 balls of yarn, of the Gesa and Flow yarn. And what are you going to make with this yarn? So the project is called the Alpine Lakes Cowl. And here is the cowl. So it is an adventure in stranded knitting, which you know I love very much. It's a cute little cowl, nice and lightweight. And this yarn itself is superwash, ultrafine superwash merino. So it's very, very nice. 98 yards in each one of those little balls. And so you begin and end with the same color and just a little bit of seed stitch on a smaller needle, a little tiny bit of increasing, and then you begin the stranded portion of the cowl. So might as well put it on because I can, right? Because I have it. Yeah, all right. So there's my cowl. So it's good for early morning walks or late evening walks, perhaps in the out in the woods or in a mountain near a lake, something like that. So the Alpine Lakes Cowl is the pattern you're going to get. You also, of course, get the download code for the pattern. So if you want to add it to your Ravelry library, or you just want to download it and keep a digital copy or use that in your on your device as you're working your project, you're able to do that as well. Also in here, of course, we have a little tiny treat, and this time, don't be scared, it's a little bear. So it is a bear fruit rolls, and I thought this was really funny because I thought the little leaf covering the bear's nether regions was really funny. But anyway, little fruit rolls. In this case, they are raspberry, no sugar added, but of course there's sugar because it's fruit, right? Pretty good, tasty little treat. And then the last thing that's inside this box for this month, we get a flashlight. So we get a little tiny flashlight that you can carry around with you as you are going on that walk. There's a little paper inside here as well that will remind you to remove this little piece of plastic, little plastic disc that is here to keep the flashlight from turning on while it is being traveled. So there you go. So you have your way to find your way home with your little flashlight. You get 5 balls of yarn of the Gesa and Flow, which is from Atelier Zitron. You get the Alpine Lakes Cowl pattern, download code as well for the digital version, and a little treat, bear treat of the fruit rolls. So that's it for our May box. We hope that you have fun making this project, and we look forward to sharing with you what is happening next month in June. So if you are watching our videos and you haven't signed up for the knit box, head on over to our website, which is makersmercantile.com. You can click on the subscriptions box or just type subscription in the search bar, and you'll come up with the option to begin for the upcoming month. We do have a limited number of boxes each month, and so once these are out, we'll put it in our newsletter and let you know if there are a few available for you. So that's it for May and for us. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in June with another knit box. Bye.